and the ivy-covered walls seemed to pulse with a malevolent energy. Sarah and her friends hesitated but pushed forward, their curiosity compelling them onward. Inside the mansion.
How was this video? Many YouTube channels are making money with this kind of horror storytelling video. You can also make this kind of video and make passive income from YouTube. But what if you don't have any knowledge of making videos or storytelling? Still, you can make this kind of video, and artificial intelligence will help you to make videos. In today's video, I will explain the step-by-step process of making horror storytelling videos with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need an engaging story to make the video. If you have your own story, then it will be great. I am not a story writer, but we have a friend who can write any story in just a second. Guess who? If you are thinking about ChatGPT, then you are absolutely right. You can use Google Bard also. Okay, I gave the prompt as create a highly scary suspense horror story, and GPT wrote an engaging story for us. I think it's a good story for our video. In the next step, I asked ChatGPT to give the visual idea for our video. My prompt is I want to make a YouTube video with this story. I will use background image and voiceover. Please suggest line-by-line image for my video. You can use the same prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box below. ChatGPT creates 19 scenes with image suggestions. For better output, I asked ChatGPT for a prompt for every image. And GPT has given a better idea for image generation. But we will generate a more accurate prompt for our image. And to do this we need to enter a detailed prompt. Here is the prompt template. I will put this prompt template link in the description box. You have to replace the X with your image suggestion. Here X is the keyword. After that, copy the prompt and paste it on the ChatGPT prompt box. ChatGPT will generate 4 image prompts for you. Now with this prompt, we will generate images with Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, select a featured model. I will select Absolute Reality as my featured model. After that, enter the prompt into the prompt box. Before generating images, you have to change the aspect ratio. As we are making a video for YouTube, I will select 16:9 as my aspect ratio. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And our images are ready. Download one of them. After that, generate the second image, and in this way generate images for all scenes. Alright friends, I have generated images for all scenes. You can see the images. Download the images on your device. Okay, our images are ready. Now we will make videos with these images. For creating videos from images, I will use a free tool, Pika Labs. I will put all of the tools in the description box. After coming to the Pika Labs website, click on the Join Beta button. To generate video with Pika Labs, you need a Discord account. On the next page, click on Accept Invite. It will redirect you to the Pika Labs server. After coming to the Pika Labs server, click on one of the generate channels from here. This is one of the video generator channels of Pika Labs. To start creating videos from images, come to the message box and type /create. Now you will find +1 more after the prompt box. Click on it and select image. Now you have to upload one image. You can drop your image also. After uploading the image, enter a prompt in the prompt box. I am writing just horror. After that, hit the enter button. It will take some time to generate your video. After some time you will find the video as highlighted. Download the video on your device. Then generate a video with your second image. In this way, generate videos with all of your images. Alright, our video is ready. Now we need a voiceover. You can use your own voice, but this time I will use AI voice. And for generating voiceover, I will use Muff AI. Muff AI is a high-quality text-to-speech generator. And it's a premium tool. If you are new to Muff AI, you have to create a new account. After creating an account, create a new project. Now change the voice model. You will find more than 120 voice models in different languages and accents. After selecting the voice model, copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it on Muff AI. Then click on the play button from here. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the voiceover. While it's completed, export the audio. Alright friends, our video and voiceover are ready. Now we need to combine it with any video editor. I will use CapCut. Because it's free and an online version is also available. Those who are using mobile, they can also use this app. Okay, after coming to CapCut, import all of the video clips and voiceovers. Then add the voiceover to the timeline. Now add the videos according to the scenes. You can control the speed if needed. After placing the videos, you can add some effects and transitions to make the video more attractive. Alright, our video editing is complete. Now an important thing. A piece of perfect background music can make the video more engaging. CapCut has a vast music library. You can search for any kind of music. Choose the best BGM fit for your video and insert it on the timeline. You can adjust the volume of the music. After all is set, export the video. Alright, our video is ready. Let's enjoy the final video.
In the small, isolated town of Blackwood, nestled deep within a dense, ancient forest, a sinister legend had hung over its residents for generations. They spoke of a cursed mansion hidden among the gnarled trees, a place that echoed with the tortured souls of those who had entered but never returned. The mansion, known as the Harrowing House, had stood for centuries, its dark history intertwined with the town's own. It was a place whispered about only in the darkest of nights, when the wind howled through the trees like the mournful cries of the damned. One autumn evening, a group of 5 adventurous friends decided to explore the legends for themselves. Sarah, the fearless leader, convinced her friends to join her on what she promised would be an unforgettable adventure. They gathered at the edge of the forest, their flashlights cutting through the thick, suffocating darkness. As they ventured deeper into the woods, the once familiar sounds of nature grew eerily silent. An oppressive atmosphere seemed to settle around them, making it difficult to breathe. The forest closed in on them, the path they had followed now obscured by overgrown bushes and gnarled branches. Finally, they reached the edge of the clearing where the mansion stood, its silhouette an imposing specter against the pale moonlight. Its windows were shattered, and the ivy-covered walls seemed to pulse with a malevolent energy. Sarah and her friends hesitated but pushed forward, their curiosity compelling them onward. Inside the mansion, the air was thick with decay, and the faint smell of rot filled their nostrils.
I think it's a quite good video with minimal effort. If you give some extra effort, you can generate more engaging videos. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of making horror storytelling videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!